We bought this building in 2013, and we used to only run 2 suites, but through the funds that we were able to secure from Seminole County through CDBG, we were able to build out an OBGYN suite, a full pharmacy with an auto-filling robot, and then rehab all the other 3 existing suites.
We're here to develop results and deliver results for the residents of Seminole County. So when True Health submitted theirs, our project managers work with their project managers to meet these requirements and to execute.
This building is an all-wood building, and as I mentioned, we had it since 2013. So the ability to revamp the building, as Elvis said, strengthen the building, and continue to improve in order to serve Seminole County residents is what our focus was and what our vision was.
True Health has a reputation of delivering results for our residents in the medical sense, but they also delivered in the project management in executing this construction project. It wasn't easy, but in their efforts, they developed a facility that the residents of Seminole County can be proud of.